So guys, let's make a new project. Tab on bottom left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one. Select the green tick, resize and position the video like you want. Select PIP. Here we have a liquid overlay video. You can download it from the video description. So this is our overlay. Tap on this button to cover the full screen. As you can see, our overlay duration is 2.8 seconds. Suppose we want to have 3.5 second transition or opening. For that, go to speed, reduce the speed a little bit. Now it's 3.5 seconds. Next, to reveal the video inside white screen, just go to blend and select lighten or screen. To reveal the video in black screen, go to filter, adjust, curve, move the right 3 slider down and the first one up. Then again blend, select the darken or multiply, and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.